In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to your Netlify site. If you've already deployed your website on Netlify and you're ready to make it available under your own domain name, this process is actually quite straightforward. The main idea is that you'll first add the domain inside Netlify. Then update the DNS settings at your domain registrar so the domain points to your site. After that, you'll simply wait for the changes to propagate. Start by logging into your Netlify dashboard and opening the site you've already deployed. Make sure you select the correct project, especially if you manage more than one site in the same account. Once you're inside the site settings, look for the Domain Management section. This is where Netlify handles custom domains, DNS setup, and related configuration. From there, choose the option to add a domain. Netlify will ask you to enter the custom domain name you want to connect. Type it carefully, since even a small typo can cause issues later. After entering the domain, click the button to verify it or add it, depending on what appears in your dashboard. At this stage, Netlify will display the DNS records you need to use. In some cases, Netlify may provide its own name servers. In other cases, it will give you specific DNS records, such as A records or a CNAME record, that need to be added at your domain provider. Pay close attention to exactly what Netlify shows, because your next steps depend on that information. Now log into the account where you purchased or manage your domain name. Go to the DNS settings for that domain and update the records so they match the values provided by Netlify. If Netlify gave you name servers, replace the existing name servers with the ones shown. If it provided A records or a TNAME record instead, add or edit those records as instructed. It's a good idea to remove conflicting old records if they point somewhere else, since those can prevent the domain from resolving correctly. Once you save the DNS changes, the setup is technically complete, but the domain may not start working immediately. DNS propagation can take some time, so you may need to wait before the custom domain fully points to your Netlify site. Sometimes it updates quickly, and other times it can take longer depending on the registrar and DNS network. After propagation finishes, your domain should resolve to your deployed Netlify website. If it doesn't, double-check the DNS values in both Netlify and your registrar to make sure everything matches exactly.